What do you want your legacy to be?
My what?
Your legacy.
What do I want it to be?
What do you want to be remembered for?
For nothing. I didn't do anything special.
Okay, so when I say action, tell me who you are and what you're going to make. Okay? Action.
I'm Clara and grandmother, and I'm going to make the poor man's meal, which we ate during the Depression. What else do you want to hear? Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Clara. I'm 91 years old. Today we are making meals from the Depression. Doesn't that look delicious?
Its one seasoned veteran is sharing her recipes for survival.
Have you gotten any marriage proposals?
Yes, I have. You know, when we were eating this, I never thought we'd make a movie. The hot dogs. After Depression and Prohibition, we have a Manhattan. And they're pretty darn good.